Isn't this fun? We're going to summer special. We have never been able to go to a Class A Motorcoach Resort before, and we're at this place called Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort. And
yes, we are going in with our friends.
Yep, we're going
to see their friends.
hang out. And I'm so excited because all I've done is seen them on Instagram. They have this real estate agent, and the agent does all kinds of fun and crazy things here. Sheila's still getting over a cough. How's it working?
It's okay.
So Jim, tell me what's happening at Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort.
Stevie, sales have been amazing this summer. We sold 50 lots in a period of 45 days, and our inventory is declining by the day.
I gotta go find Jim Dahl. He's
my name.
Yeah, Jim Dahl. He's on the. Look at
Wow.
that. Look at that.
I'm frustrated that they don't have parks that are bougie like this for those of us that just have a fifth wheel.
Oh, look at this
a
one.
Travel trailer. Look at that Prevost. Ooh, that's pretty.
Oh, yes. Mark and Rebecca had some work done on their RV, and they just got it out of the shop, so they needed to have a place to park it for the evening and hang out until they were done. So they came here to stay for a couple nights. And we don't ever get to see these places. Look at that. So on every one of these sites, somebody owns them, which is really pretty unique and different. And they can range anywhere from like low 150s to as much as $1 million for an RV site here. And the cool part is, well, they're renting. They rent. They'll come here on occasion when they come down, and they'll stay here every once in a while. So their sites change all the time. But whoever owns this site, check this out. Let me come up here. Wait. You can do your own. Like, just look at this. How nice this is, and all the landscaping. And then back here, this one has an amazing outdoor bar area.
Or
What?
you got a 4-course meal out here.
Isn't this crazy? This is awesome. Yeah, but look at this. Is nice.
This is very nice. I like these. Very nice.
Yeah, these things are really cool. And
Night we turn on the light.
well,
because it continues. I mean, there's a microwave over there and more storage and more space that you can have.
Then you put your hammock out here.
In the sun.
oh yeah, see this?
Yeah.
And then you can just chill.
I got my hammock. and
You
then-
ordered your hammock?
Yeah, and I ordered red, so that's Chinese red.
Oh, see? Then you got your place to just hang out.
Yeah.
Now, every one of these is different though, right?
Yeah, they're all different.
And then do you back up? Back up. So like their site's different over here, the way it's set up. Since we have the insider scoop, we can go and kind of check out some things and take you along with us, because majority of us never get to come to like this type, because we don't have motor coaches.
Then they just turned it into all turf instead of.
Oh,
So this is new.
We're getting a tour.
I know. This is so nice.
They have pickleball is always usually busy, and then they have this pool, which is their bigger pool and event center, and then they have 4 other pools on each corner.
Oh, wow.
How big is it?
How
Do you
many
know? Yeah.
spots are in here, you know?
There's over 400, I believe.
And they're each individually, they're deeded, owned pieces. So then you just rent it from
Whoever the owner
owner,
is.
or do you rent it from these guys do the management
They
of
do
that?
the whole management.
Okay.
Which is
Pretty nice. They seem to have something going, and we come here and we go swimming and hot tubbing almost every night.
Oh, really?
We haven't played pickleball.
Oh, look at this.
cool. Yeah, so they have 2 little jacuzzi areas. I think that is
That's for kids. That's like at 90 something.
Yeah.
The pool is supposed to be at 93.
Okay, you gotta admit, this is really cool. RV life has so many different levels to it, Like some of us like to just go camp out in boondock. Some of us just want to do van life. Some of us, we all have these different things. Some of us want to be able to take our UTVs in the back. And some people want to come to a really nice, this is probably the top of the list when you're looking at RV parks. But we've never been to a motor coach park. Even we can't go to a motor coach park with our new setup, which is fun, but wow. Okay, let's see what else we can find. He opened the door.
I said just try the door handle.
Look at this.
So how many people
Yeah.
do you think, Sheila?
Wow. This is a nice space to have like an event and stuff. Look at it. Most of the new RV parks are not putting in event spaces for doing like huddles or rallies and stuff, which they're always missing out. But this is a great space. Yeah, look at this. This is fabulous. So I've been following Jim Dahl on Instagram for a long time and all of his little posts. Still never met him, but
One of my favorite little spots.
I like following some RV things. But this is really pretty neat.
You want to come? You want to walk up to Siegfried and Roy's place?
Siegfried and Roy had a place here. Where's that at? Is it far?
Right up here.
Okay, Siegfried and Roy. I mean, who doesn't know them from Vegas?
It's for sale if you want to buy it.
Oh, it is? How much is it for sale for?
Two lots together, $734.
Oh, well, that's all? Siegfried and Roy, 2 lots together for over $730-some thousand. Of course. Wonder how long it's been on the market. 2 years?
It's unique.
It is unique?
Yeah.
Oh, this is fun. Look at this setup they built. Oh, wow. Man.
It is beautiful stuff.
Well, that one doesn't really have anything on it. It's pretty
I know,
normal.
We like it that
Just
way.
normal, yeah.
Yeah. Put on our
What? Look at this, Sheila. Okay, this is awesome. This is Siegfried and Roy with all of the animals and stuff.
Yeah.
Can we walk in there or no?
Oh yeah, we can walk in there.
Oh my goodness.
This is where their extra help parks.
Okay.
This is where they would park.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they've just got a few animals over here. Look at. Yeah, there's animals over here. You got a hippo, lion, elephant. Okay.
That's fun.
Oh, isn't this awesome?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Okay, okay, and this one over here is the main one.
So you get to both of them for $734.
Both for $734. So I'm walking over the white line. I stepped over the gate. They'll probably kick me out, but I'll probably never get to come back here anyway, so I might as well bring it to you guys. Oh, they have a gate. Look, they have this little like over to the other side, and you come over here and you get to pet the hippo. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome. Over here, oh, look at this setup. This is amazing. This is so fun. Wow. Come on now. Look at RV life has brought me to Siegfried and Roy's RV pad. This is incredible. Is it worth $700,000? I don't know, but it is beautiful and it is very unique.
Dachshund.
I love a woodpecker.
You got a little over there, Sheila. You had like a little walk, like you're walking over water to the other side.
Go see the turtle and the alligator.
It is so awesome. Oh, that's incredible.
Dachshund. We got another Dachshund guard dog. 2.
2 guard dogs.
Yeah. And at night when all the lights are on, it is quite beautiful.
I can't stop smiling. It's just so much fun. So unique, so different. I wish I could show you all the different sites. This one has an amazing tiki bar. So you could almost do site tours at here just to see how everything was, other people have done things. This was like a side video. Like, I didn't even plan on shooting a video, but I was so impressed. And I'm so happy to just do something different and out of the box.
Let's see. I love all the little animals on the whole Siegfried Roy corner.
Why couldn't we do this like with the switch it up? Like, why couldn't we have like a unique switch it up, something where people had their own spots or something?
We could.
We could. Why couldn't we do that? Like, if that would be something. Now, you can't put like fake hippopotamuses. Well, why couldn't you do that? You could do whatever you wanted.
There might it be called the chicken capital of the world, and we all have chickens in our yard.
No, we wouldn't do that. That would not be good. But it would be open not to just Class A's, to, you know.
Yes,
I think that would be fun.
The thing is with the crew that we have, like as we meet them at huddles and events and
Yeah,
whatever,
yeah.
the skill set that they have, from architects and engineers to electricians to all kinds of general contractors, we have the skill set we need in order to do what if we wanted to do that. They should leave us a comment if you'd be interested in something like that.
Yeah, well, I think we're dreaming, but that's so much fun.
All starts with a dream.
Siegfried and Roy had a dream. Look at that. That is a heck of a spot. Okay.
All right.
Off.
Off
We're
to the next.